20 tools on me at all times. This my set right here. This is all I need to tint the window. If I was gonna do some mobile tint, these are all the tools I need to do mobile tint, other than soapy water. So, all right, that's them all the side windows. Now for the back windshield, you're gonna need a scrubber, or this thing is called a reach. Alright, you got the reach, you got the scrubber, you got the stroke doctor, side swiper, the bulldozer. It's called a shortstop. And it's a razor blade. A razor, it's still